A written late rent notice serves as both a formal demand and a documentation tool, creating a record of the tenant's payment history and the landlord's timely response to non-payment. Welcome to TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Here's how to use a late rent notice effectively in Colorado. When rent is past due, sending a written late rent notice before escalating to a formal 10-day notice to pay or quit gives the tenant a clear warning, creates a paper trail, and demonstrates professionalism. It can resolve many late payment situations without formal legal proceedings. The notice should state the amount of rent due, the date it was due, the date of the notice, any applicable late fees permitted by the lease, and a deadline by which payment must be received to avoid further action. Colorado's grace period rules depend on your lease. The state does not mandate a universal grace period, so review your lease terms before sending the notice or assessing late fees. If the tenant does not pay by the stated deadline, the next step is the formal 10-day notice to pay rent or quit under CRS paragraph 13.40.104. Our free Colorado late rent notice form is suitable for use before formal eviction proceedings and documents the landlord's timely response to non-payment. For the free form and Colorado landlord resources, visit TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com.